recently I did a poll on YouTube.
Excuse me, boss.
Okay, is that how you do it? Hello people, what's up? This is Abhijit. Welcome to a new episode of EDM Vans. And if you guys are interested in DJing tutorials, tips, tricks and stuff, do subscribe to my channel. It's free. So let's get straight into the video. Before anything, I recently did an Instagram live stream. Check this out. So this is how it looked, and if you guys are interested in its setup, like how did I set up the whole ambience, lights, whites, camera stuff, do let me know. I'll be very happy to show you. Now let's get back to the video, that is DJ softwares. Spoiler alert, I will not be talking about features, modes and stuff, because with every update, each software is updating new features and stuff, so there is no point in talking that. I'll be strictly be talking about utility and why a particular piece of software is best for you. So this video is divided into two sections. That is, first, people who don't have a dedicated hardware, who use virtual DJing softwares like Virtual DJ, etc. And second, the people who already have a dedicated hardware like DDJ 400, SB3 and Impulse 500, etc. So let's first talk about the people who don't have a dedicated hardware. So before that, recently I did a poll on YouTube, like which is the most used software by you guys, and most of you guys voted for Virtual DJ. And why wouldn't you vote for it? Like, it is the most feature rich intelligent DJ software on this planet, but still I won't recommend it, and here are the reasons. So first reason of using Virtual DJ was it is free, but now with the new update, Rekordbox 6 is also completely free. So just like you use Virtual DJ, you can now download Rekordbox and use it for completely free. And I personally think that Rekordbox is much better software in terms of usability. For example, if you look at the interface of Rekordbox, the UI is much more cleaner and modern. The buttons and effect sections are well organized here. But if you look at Virtual DJ, the UI is a bit outdated and is very busy due to all these buttons and features. Although no doubt that Virtual DJ is more feature rich than Rekordbox, but still Rekordbox is more user friendly. So you can just download it, link in the description. Second is the main reason why I won't recommend Virtual DJ, that is compatibility. So right now you might be sitting in your room and playing a DJ set for yourself. So if someday you get an opportunity to play in clubs or festivals, so they use Pioneer DJ equipment, which is the standard all across this planet. So if you are DJing in Virtual DJ right now, and if you got the opportunity, you have to export your track list to a completely new piece of software, that is Rekordbox. And trust me, that is a very frustrating task. So in the beginning itself, if you start with Rekordbox, your playlist is very much sorted. Like, you don't have to migrate from software to software. Plus the added benefit, if you don't have a Pioneer DJ hardware, you can just export the track in, USB drive and just show up in the club with just USB drive and you can play your set. But if you are using Virtual DJ or Serato or any other software, you cannot do this. Plus, there is an added advantage to it. Like, if you are using Rekordbox X right now, and if you someday plan to buy a new Pioneer DJ equipment, you don't have to make your playlist again. You can just plug in your DJ controller and boom, you can use it directly. You don't have to waste time creating track lists, marking cue points, etc. The whole reason why I'm saying is because making a track list or a playlist is not a one-day thing or an hour thing. It sometimes takes weeks, sometimes months. So it's a very long process. And by the time you become a good DJ on a software or a hardware, you at least have 2,000 to 3,000 tracks, at least, in your playlist. And trust me, having cue points on each and every track, making playlist and sorting it out, sorting the folders out, everything is a very frustrating task if you are migrating from a software to another software. Using Rekordbox straight from the beginning makes you future-proof. So you all Virtual DJ users, just try Rekordbox and let me know in the comments how do you feel about it. Now let's talk about people who have dedicated hardware like DDJ SB3 or Impulse 500. So you might have got your free licensed software with your control. So that software is best for you. Mark my words, any free full licensed software is better than free software. So if you have a full license software, go for it, whether it's Recordbox, even Virtual DJ, Serato, no problem with that. But if you don't have a full license software or a DJ hardware, Recordbox is your thing. That's all. And apart from that, I am bringing Pioneer Recordbox tutorial from next week. So if you guys have anything specific in your mind on which you want me to make videos, do let me know in the comments. So I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye. Do click on the video that is appearing on the screen to know more tips and tricks like this.